Also, now that this journey is ended, you are getting the kind of response, the kind of love that is coming your way. I also want to understand, how has this entire Big Boss experience changed Ashnur?
It's been a roller coaster.
Okay.
It's been a roller coaster. There's been an internal journey also in the Big Boss house, because honestly, the experience I got in the house, I could not have gotten it anywhere else. It was like a concised version of life. जो आप 4 साल में experience करते
Absolutely.
हैं, you experience that in 15, 14 weeks that you're in the house. You get to understand people better, their intentions, their motives, where are they coming from. You get to know yourself. I realized that, okay, I actually let go of small things. I don't really pay attention to pity talks.
Okay.
And मुझे ये भी realize हुआ at the end of it कि सबसे important ये होता है acceptance.
Right.
Acceptance that not everyone will understand you. Acceptance that it's okay not to be okay. Acceptance that you cannot please everyone and you should not also. And also acceptance that everyone is just human at the end of the day. ठीक है, if
Absolutely.
they're shedding fake tears, hero syndrome, उनका जो भी game plan है, being hypocritical, that's a part of them. But that does not mean you should lose yourself.
True. Is that the way this eviction happened? You know, एक हमने पास में देखा है कि जब किसी को on grounds of physical violence घर से निकाला जाता है, the weight of that, banished from the house का जो एक वो weight होता है, that is too much to deal with.
Yeah.
But you actually took it very positively when you went live also, and you clarified. It was like nothing can kill your spirit, even if things did not end on a good note or didn't go as planned.
Yeah.
What happened, like initially, because I could sense that you were very upset when you were leaving the house.
Absolutely.
After that, what happened, after you went home? When did you come to terms with this, and why, how did you decide to take this positively also?
See, honestly, I was very upset. I'm a person who does not really take painkillers, or if I'm getting a headache, I would not take medicines. The moment I was out of the house, my head was aching so badly. I took a Ceridon. I was just, of course, we were outside of the house. They kept me in the vanity, waiting for mom, dad to come. And as soon as mom came, I bursted out. I was crying. She was crying because it was an abrupt ending. Nobody expected that. So it was a very vulnerable moment for me. I was very, very upset. And then, of course, the team came. We talked about a lot of things. But going back, probably because I had my people around me and I felt safe, because the house is a tough place to be in. And especially in the last few weeks, it was like I started feeling anxious inside because the people were such. They were
Right.
toxic, they were negative. But I was holding on to my ground because I know that ye last week mein hoga aisa. And I can't allow them to break me. But the moment I stepped out of the house, I felt like there was a weight lifted off my chest in some way. And even though I was upset, I had my people around me. I had my mom, I had my team. I met Ziggy after 14 weeks. I had my friends coming over, cheering me up. So I just feel that jo ho gaya, and if there's something that's not in your hands, it should be out of your mind too.
Absolutely.